Okay, my name is Ija. I run Malaysian Spicy Corner. It's a restaurant in BJ, and I'm in social media. I use it to do marketing. It was a Facebook group at first, and then when the Facebook page came out, we migrated to a Facebook page, and then also Twitter.
Okay.
So that's the avenues that we use for marketing right now. Okay, there's two avenues to it, the way I look at it.
Yep.
I would group it in terms of the Facebook method
Yep.
and the Twitter method. Where
Okay.
the Facebook method is basically we are cataloging our customers.
Yep.
Whoever comes to take photos of them of our food, who is curious about us, they can check out our Facebook page and
Yep.
get a picture about who we are. But Facebook page is more to garner existing relationships and people to come back and
Alright.
look at it. But Twitter, on the other hand, is
Okay.
where we get new customers because people who are not currently coming to our shop, when we talk about it, when we put up photos, when we're having conversations with other Twitterers,
Yep.
they look at it, and so we get new customers from Twitter, not existing customers. So,
Okay.
and I see it both as a tool like Twitter to bring them in and Facebook to retain them, but Twitter is extremely useful in getting a conversation going, talking to people, asking them what they feel like, what they like about our food.
Okay.
So it's a sort of a balance, the way I see it. That's what I did. I was talking to new people, meeting new people, and I was interested in what they were doing, and they were interested in what I was doing.
Okay.
And slowly that turned into them becoming friends, and then customers, and sometimes customers becoming friends. So it's but a lot of new customers. Business has actually increased by 10% from Twitter alone.
Right.
What are you selling? Food. Your food must be good.
Yep.
So my team is, I run it with my family, my mom, my sis, and myself. So I know my product is good.
Yeah.
The food is good.
Yeah.
Because my mom controls the quality of the food.
Right.
So I don't have any fear in promoting it
Yeah.
online. And so I go all out to promote it. And when people actually taste it, they like it.
Right.
So I feel that is very important. Whatever you're doing, the marketing alone
Yep.
does not suffice. Your product itself must be of value.
Alright.
My first advice to any business right now is go online. You can't risk or you can't afford to not go online because they say the generation Y, we are supposed to be generation Y. We are earning money now, we are getting jobs, we are buying houses, we are coming into power.
Right.
So Generation Y operates totally different from Generation X. Generation X also operates on peer recommendations, but the peer is word of mouth. Whereas Generation Y is word of mouth, but it's also digital word of mouth.
Right. It's online.
It's online. So they're all online based. When I want to buy something, I check the price online. I
Right.
check recommendations online. I don't go and call up my friend and, okay, have you reviewed this phone?